Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. If you're looking for a great tool for TV watching, I have to recommend the Roku streaming stick. Roku is absolutely amazing. The actual stick is very small and compact. It fits conveniently behind your TV. You really don't have to think about it being there. But the service is really the best. You have all your popular streaming services at just the touch of a button. And it's an extremely user-friendly, easy to understand layout. I also really like the Roku remote. It doesn't have a lot of buttons. It's very easy to understand. You have one button access to a lot of the popular streaming services. The rewind and fast forward are super easy to understand. You've got your arrow pad and not a lot else. It's just really easy and useful. Overall, we have been using Roku for years and we absolutely love it. And that's my point of view.